Hi everyone, this is Donna Wilcox. Sorry for the movement. I'm sitting in front of our church and about to go in because I'm getting ready for Celebrate Freedom. And Celebrate Freedom is not a program just for addictions to alcohol, drugs, those kind of things. It's also to celebrate freedom over the things that has us bound, whatever that may be, and what binds me and what gets me caught up in wrong thinking, and all of those things are different than what affects you. So, I've been thinking a lot about that, and as we go through the steps, we do the 12 steps, but as we go through them, we completely bring God into it in every way possible. And that really does thrill me, because I do know that you can be the best psychologist, best cognitive behavioral therapist in the world, and best psychiatrist, whatever. And you can't do what God can do. Man, you put God into it and you've got victory. And this has been a tough month. I love my birthday month normally. And out of 64 years now, I can honestly say this month I don't love so much. And it's been there's been great ups and some downs, and I didn't break anything. It's swollen due to a thing with my thumb and the arthritis. So, but anyway, I go back to what our thinking is. I began thinking on the way here, I was really, really missing someone. And man, I just decided I got to turn these thoughts around and start really thinking about Jesus, and, how much he misses me when I don't have a communication with him. How much he misses us when we don't take the time to spend time with him. And so I just want to encourage you to do that, because that just came to me as I was missing this individual. And I'm like, how are they? What are they doing? How is life for them? All these things, came to my mind. But then, as I began to think on Jesus, and that I could spend that time instead of being concerned about an individual, spend that time with the Lord. Let that individual know that I'm thinking of them, praying for them, but spend that time with Jesus, and let him know that he's the most important thing in my life. And I'm telling you, he is the most important thing in my life. And I don't know where I would be right now if it wasn't for him. And my life has really had some turns. But I'm going to tell you, by doing for others and giving of myself and trying to be a blessing to other people when I don't feel like it, that has been the one thing that I always tell my clients. That's what turns things around, because it's an unselfish act, and God loves an unselfish act. So I encourage you to do that today and come on to Celebrate Freedom. Like I said, it's not just about drugs and alcohol. It is about things that hold us captive. Overeating. I mean, that's one of them. I get a lot of people that ask me to pray for them because of it. There are just so many different things that hold us captive. So come on and see us at 6:30, Southwest Assembly of God, if you're in the Denver area. If you're not, and you just need encouragement, send me a message on my Facebook, Donna Grant Wilcox or Dr. Donna Grant Wilcox, either one of those places, and I will respond and I will pray with you. Thank you so much. God bless you.